Welcome to my channel. How to fix Asus router red light. 1. Identify the issue. The red light on an Asus router usually indicates a connection or hardware problem, such as no internet, failed updates, or misconfigurations. 2. Restart the router. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This can often resolve temporary issues. 3. Check cable connections. Ensure all cables, including the Ethernet and power cables, are securely connected to the correct ports. 4. Inspect the modem. If the router is connected to a modem, confirm the modem is functioning correctly by checking its lights or connecting directly to it with a device. Five. Log into the router's admin panel. Access the router's admin interface by entering its IP address, e.g., 192.168.1.1, into a browser. Log in with your credentials to check the status. 6. Check WAN settings. Ensure the WAN connection settings match your requirements. Reconfigure them if necessary, e.g., dynamic IP, PPPoE. 7. Reset the router. If the problem persists, reset the router to factory settings by pressing and holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Reconfigure the router afterward. 8. Update firmware. Go to the router's admin panel, check for firmware updates, and install them. An outdated firmware can cause red light issues. Thank you for watching.